गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम लोग देखने जा रहे हैं रिप्रोडक्शन इन एनिमल क्लास 4 एसएसटी। वाई डू एनिमल्स रिप्रोड्यूस? एनिमल क्यों रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं? तो टू इंश्योर द कंटिन्यूइंग ऑफ लाइफ द लिविंग बींग्स मस्ट रिप्रोड्यूस मोर ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड्स बिफोर दे डाई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वाई डू बर्ड्स बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट? नेस्ट क्यों बनाते हैं बर्ड्स? बर्ड्स बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट बिकॉज फीमेल बर्ड्स ले एग इन देयर नेस्ट। वाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय इंक्यूबेशन? इंक्यूबेशन से आप क्या समझते हो? द प्रोसेस इन विच बर्ड्स सिट ऑन देयर एग्स फॉर सम डेज टू कीप दैम वार्म इज कॉल्ड इंक्यूबेशन। What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis क्या है? The complete change in the form of an organism from the young stage to the adult stage is called metamorphosis. Define life cycle and molting. Life cycle क्या है? The sequence of development that take place in animal from the embryo to the adult stage is called life cycle. Molting क्या है? The process of shedding old skin is called molting. Next question है डिस्क्राइब वन सिमिलरिटी बिटवीन सी हॉर्स एंड कंगारू। दोनों के बीच में क्या समानता है सी हॉर्स एंड कंगारू के बीच में? तो सी हॉर्स एंड कंगारू बोथ ऑफ देम कैरीज इट्स एग्स और बेबी इन देयर पाउच। दोनों अपने पाउच में अपने बेबीज को रखते हैं। कंपेयर द टर्म्स रिप्रोडक्शन। The process by which living organism produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. What is lifespan? Lifespan क्या है? The period of time for which a living organism lives is called its lifespan. Next question. What are the different ways by which animal reproduce? Animals reproduce in two ways. Animals such as cows, dogs, cat, mouse, lion give birth to their young ones. And next points, animals such as bird, fish, frogs, tortoise, crocodile, and snake lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out of their eggs. Next question. When do egg of a bird hatch? The embryo goes through various stages, and when the chick is fully developed, it breaks the egg shell and come out of the egg. This process is called hatching. Next कुछ points. Egg shell, the hard outer shell protect the egg. Yolk provides food to developing embryo. Albumin protects the embryo from sacs and jerks. It provides water to the developing embryo. Next question. How many stages in complete metamorphosis? It has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa and adult. Next question है kangaroo are called marsupials because they have a pouch on their body to carry their young ones. The mother kangaroos cares of them, feed them and protect them and carry them everywhere in her pouch till they can look after themselves. Why does next question है why does tadpole have gills instead of lungs to breathe? Tadpole lives in water to breathe underwater. Tadpole have gills instead of lungs. Next question है what are mammals? How do mammals take care of their young ones after they are born? Animals that give birth to young ones are called mammals. In mammals, when babies are born, they can't take care of themselves. The mother cares for them, feeds them and protects them till they can लुक आफ्टर दैम सेल्फ, तब तक वो अब उसकी प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं जब तक कि वह बड़े ना हो सके और अपनी रक्षा खुद ना कर सके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिस्कस द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ कॉकरोच। कॉकरोच के लाइफ साइकिल को बताना है। A cockroach has three stages of development during their life cycle, so they are known to have an incomplete metamorphosis. During this time period, the egg of cockroach transforms into a form called a nymph. It doesn't have wing. The nymph sheds its outer covering number of times and changes into an adult. दिस इज़ नोन एज माउल्टिंग। और यहाँ पे उसके लाइफ साइकिल पिक्चर से समझाया गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ फ्रॉग। फ्रॉग के लाइफ साइकिल को बताना है। A female frog lays hundred of eggs at a time in a lake or pond. These cluster of eggs are called spawns. It is surrounded by a jelly-like substances. The young one of a frog is called tadpole. It has a long tail but has no legs. After 5 weeks, the tadpole loses its tail and grows organs and limbs. In about 11 weeks, it transforms into a fully developed frog. आप उनके यहाँ पे लाइफ साइकिल फ्रॉग्स के बना सकते हो। डिस्क्राइब लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई। हाउस फ्लाई के लाइफ साइकिल के बारे में बताना है। हाउस फ्लाइज हैज़ 4 स्टेज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट इन देयर लाइफ साइकिल। द हाउस फ्लाई लेज 100 ऑफ एग्स एट अ टाइम। द लार्वा ऑफ हाउस फ्लाई इज कॉल्ड मैगोट। After some days, the larva becomes barrel shaped. This is now called a pupa. Pupa is covered by a cocoon. It also break up in a week and a young housefly come out. Next question है, where do turtle lay eggs? What do they do with their babies after hatching? Turtle lay egg in a deep shallow heads near the river banks. After hatching, turtle take care of them for some time. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर देख लिए।